Afternoon, guys. I'm here on the S South Road Properties. I'm here at the ocean beach. Look at this. There's one ship. There was many people. There's many people swimming. Look at this. Wow, it's a nice. It's a nice ocean. Look at this one. Very nice.